Yeah, good morning. Welcome to FourKites. Thank you so much for coming.
A lot of energy here. Terrific to see everyone coming together. I can't wait to see what we'll do.
We want to learn more about your user journey as you use our product.
Just listen and engage. You'll learn a lot.
This was the first time we've done a co-innovation workshop like this. We had 25 customers that flew in to Chicago. We divided them into teams of 6 to 8 people along 3 important themes. What does the control tower look like, right? The next generation control tower. How should we reinvent the track and trace experience? And collaboration, how does this all come together and how can we enable our customers to collaborate? Each team had a product manager, an engineering lead, and a UX designer embedded with the customers. The energy in the 3 rooms was amazing. People had so many incredible ideas. This was a lot more than just kicking around ideas, right? In less than half a day, we got to late-stage wireframes which actually take us very far down the path of making these concepts a reality. This was really an inspiring way to kick off our 2019 user conference.